Ever wondered how a miniature truck comes to life from raw wood? Let's dive in. We begin by precision cutting and sanding basswood sheets to shape the chassis frame. Next, we sculpt the cab, carving window grooves and headlight recesses for realism. Then the hood gets metallic paint and delicate grille accents with a fine brush. Door panels are painted, lined, and fitted with tiny mirrored stickers. We assemble the trailer frame, adding support beams and custom decals. Finally, we stencil logos and weather the container edges for authentic wear. Voila!